There are three different ways of drawing segments in Geogebra. The first way is to do the input on the command line, typing segment, use autocomplete, type the first letter of the point, the second letter of the point, and enter. The second way is to use the line through 2 points tool, hold on the arrow and choose segment between 2 points, click on the starting point, click on the ending point. The third way is to again use the segment command, but enter the ordered pairs 1, 2, 3, 4. Segments were drawn three different ways. The yellow arrow up here is the undo, so if I click through this, every step is undone in the order that they were completed. Let's get rid of all this, and now let's graph functions and lines. Using the input line again, you can get a line by going y equals 2x minus 3, or by using function notation, f of x equals 5 minus x. Like anything else, lines can have their color or their weight or their dash change by using the move tool. Double click on a line, object properties. I want to show the label. I want to change the color, and I'll make it dashed. Close. Label's up here and it's hard to see, so you can move the label around by grabbing it with the move tool. Functions can also be evaluated. If I ask Geogebra for f of 3, under dependent objects I'm told that f of 3 equals 2. To check where this dependent object came from, I can double click on it and see that that's plugging 3 into the f function. To plot that point, I would choose a new capital letter, 2 as the input, f of 2 is the output. And the point shows up right here. Geogebra can also graph non-functions. If I wanted to draw a circle, or even a hyperbola. I got an error message there because while it understands 3x as 3 times x, putting two variables next to each other is an undefined variable, so I need to insert manually the multiplication symbol between the xy. And there it is. Geogebra also understands some function operations. Let's hide my hyperbola, get out of the way, and hide my circle. I want to take this f function and multiply it by x to produce a quadratic. So I'm going to label my new function as g of x. I'm going to say that that equals f of x times x. And I now have a parabola that's the result of multiplying the f of x function by x.